Karina, what you doing?
I like this one.
Oh, I don't think you should pick them. Then we won't be able to see any.
Mommy?
You can jump in the leaves, though. Let's see how you jump in the leaves. Good job. You're a rabbit. Going hop, hop, hop. Yeah, it doesn't want to come off, honey. It wants to stay there. You could just smell it. Yeah.
It's closed.
Yeah, one is closed.
That one is closed.
Yeah, maybe it's going to grow soon.
Well,
It's going to open up soon.
okay, that one.
Yeah, kind of like that one. Stay close by. No, honey.
It's not flower.
Yeah, it's not. It used to be one.
It's cactus.
It's prickly like a cactus?
Yes.
Is it a cactus?
No.
Say peekaboo, I can't see you. Karina.